Let's get to Eamon Javers with some breaking news on Nvidia. Hey, Eamon.
Hey there, Carl. We had a Supreme Court decision this morning on Nvidia. Now, the Supreme Court is saying it's not going to take up a case involving a shareholder lawsuit against Nvidia. They say that was improvidently granted initially by the Supreme Court, meaning basically, oops, we're sorry, we shouldn't have taken up this case in the first place. So what that means is that the lower court ruling involving Nvidia will stand. The lower court allowed a shareholder lawsuit against Nvidia to proceed. So presumably that will now proceed apace. All of this is about an initial shareholder lawsuit against Nvidia, suggesting that Nvidia did not properly disclose how much exposure it had to crypto mining as opposed to gaming in terms of use of its chips. The idea here is that crypto mining is a much more volatile segment than gaming, and if they didn't disclose properly how much people were using chips for crypto mining, that might have given investors a bad feel for how volatile potentially the earnings would be back in 2018. So this case now suggesting that that lawsuit can go forward also has some impact potentially for other publicly traded companies that are deciding how much nuance to share in their disclosures as they file with the SEC. How much detail and sort of investor insight do they need to provide on the mix of customers they have, the volatility of that customer base, all of that. So this will give people across corporate America something to think about here, and it gives a potential new risk to Nvidia that they might have to settle this shareholder lawsuit at some point down the road, guys. We've reached out to Nvidia. We'll bring you their comment as soon as we have it.